Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Now underneath the glove box, we're going to pull this panel down. Just grab it with your fingers and pull straight down, and then you're going to slide it out. There's these two things that slide in, these two little tabs, and these are the clips that pull right down. So we'll pull that out of our way. Okay, this is the blower motor right here. We're going to disconnect the electrical connector. I'm going to push this little tab right here and the connector will come out. And then next there's these bolts that hold it in. I'm going to use an 8mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. We'll take these out. Hard to see, there's one back here. I'm going to hold the blower motor up while I'm taking this last bolt out. And move this wiring harness out of your way a little bit. I actually have to unclip this wiring harness back here, like that. We can pull the blower motor straight down. To make it easier, I'm going to pop this retainer off the wiring harness. Hold that out of the way. I'm going to slip this blower motor back in. Line it up. We'll install the screws that hold it in. So get that last one in, I can start to tighten them down with the ratchet. Remember, it's plastic, so don't over tighten them. Just snug. And that's snug. Now we can install the wiring harness on those retainers. And this one as well. We can install this connector. Just slip it up until it clicks. We're going to slide these two pins in the back. Line those up with where those go. And then these retainers up here will line up and push in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.